Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today we're gonna set up the week of, I don't even know what week. Let's see. Oh, okay. So the week of the 18th through the 24th of July. And this is the Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo. I love this planner, you guys. I love it. Now, I want to set up with you my week and also the cover for the week. And I don't know what to use. So for my weekly, I have this kit right here from Elisa Ravell. She is on Etsy. I do PR for her, and I do have a code for 15% off, and it's 15 Make Up Your Plan PR, and you'll get a freebie if you would like to purchase with her and use my code. So I have the monthly, the compact vertical, and the weekly. Oh, so stinking cute. All right, so we're not gonna use the monthly, and I might take some of this stickers from this right here, and I have 2 boxes for the compact vertical. So let's see what we're gonna use from this. Okay, so for sure I do want this kit for my week, so we're gonna put that aside. And now here, let's see what we're gonna do. I was thinking of adding the map, but it's gonna have to go sideways. Yeah, actually, if I cut it like this, it just shows, let's see, does it show Mexico City, where I was born? This looks like Mexico City right here. Okay, so either I can do this, but it's gonna cut too much of the map. I was thinking of this right here, or maybe this, like this section right here, because it has the yellow and this kind of bluish green. So that would be cute, something like that. Or I found this one, there's just cameras here, and this one is like a perfect match. So I think I'm gonna do this, but I need to find something yellow. I want to add something yellow here. Okay. But what are we gonna add to this? What are we gonna add to this? I don't know. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this washi. There we go. Oh, that's good. Okay, so this is gonna be how I'm gonna set it. And let me add this other one here. I won't have enough for another day. So I'm just gonna cut it. What day is this? Thursday. I'm gonna save this and use it for something else. Perfect. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, friends, is I'm going to cut this washi, okay? I don't know why I didn't get the Daily Duo for this kit. I got the monthly, the weekly, and the compact, but I didn't get the Daily Duo. But it's no problem, we're gonna make it work. All right, so because the bees are larger, I might have to cut other pieces, but I think we'll be okay. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna leave this ones for the end of the week because I'm not gonna be in my planner as much. Okay, so the bees go this way. All right. So I want this one. You know what? Let me put Monday the 18th here, so I know where to start. Monday the 18th. Yep. Okay. Because I don't want to make the same mistake that I did last week. I started on the wrong day. So 18, 19, yep. 2021. There we go. Now let's do this little bee. Let's start right there. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need another washi. One more.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, puppy. What's up? You didn't call me, or did you call me?
I did.
Wow, what in the world is that?
It was hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's handmade. Look at the fingers and everything.
Nice.
I know.
Okay, I think I'm going a different route. I like this for this one. I think I like this flamingo on the side. These are from the Happy Planner. These are those big stickers. I don't know what they're called. Give me a second and I'll pull the paper. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Okay, honey. Bye, puppy. Okay. So we're alone again. My husband's running an errand, so okay, so I was going for this first and it doesn't really match, and then I found my huge stickers, you guys, from the Happy Planner. This is what they're called. Bambi sticks. There's 31 pieces here, and I do not remember where I purchased this. These are pretty old. And then I was thinking this one's so cute, but I don't like the pictures with that, but the color matches really nice. So that flamingo is like super cute. And let me show you the back. I think you can still find this at Joann. I'm pretty sure I've seen this at Joann. And they always have like some type of sale. And you're gonna hear my Rocky going up and down the stairs. I don't know what's wrong with him. Papi, ven, amor. Ay, pobrecito. I don't know what's wrong with him. I know, and every time I think about him getting old and something happening, I'm just like, no. Okay, let's not think about that. So I'm happy with this. This is so cute. Now, I wish I would have had a big bee sticker. And I probably have one somewhere, but I don't know. But that flamingo looks cute. All right, so what are we gonna do here? We need work and we need some other things. So let's see. All right, so we need, let's see what we need. We need some script. We need the scale. We need to wash our clothes in Spanish. We need the other pago because I'm getting paid. Let's see what we have here. You know what? I'm gonna take this whole page because I have little things here. Oh, there's an empty one. Oh, the one I just took from there. Yeah. I need that in a second. Oh, I like those for work. But I don't have enough. I only have 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's fine. I'm only working 3 days this week. Okay, so let's do yellow. Let's do 7:30. Oh, what time are we gonna start? You know what? I'm gonna do 8 o'clock. And she's gonna be right there. I think I'm getting up early too. So, all right, that's good. She's so cute. So this is Pookie Bear Cuties, and it's the work laptop and Pookie Bear. Here we're gonna do AM routine. I'm gonna do 6:30. So I should be up by 6:30. Because we're going on a trip, I'm only gonna plan for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The rest of the week, I'm gonna leave my planner open. So when we get back, then I can add, you know, what we did and all of that. I'm not gonna take my planner with me. This, my daily duo is gonna stay home. So this breakfast, lunch, and dinner and this utensils are freebies from Elisa Ravell. They come, you get a couple of this in every order, and they're different. They're always different. So this time I got this one, so perfect. Adding them here. All right, so Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. We need to pack and we need to do laundry. So let me make sure that I have my tiny little, okay, so where am I gonna, I think I'm gonna start from here to here so I can cut it as I finish. All right, to do laundry. And because I won't be able to wait myself on Friday, I'm gonna do it on Wednesday morning. Let's do yellow. I'm gonna cover the time. The other file. I'm getting paid on Thursday. So there we go. Now here I need to make a phone call. Again. You know, sometimes it's just so frustrating when you're trying to do something with a company and every person you talk to gives you half the information that you need. You know, they just tell you do this, but they don't tell you do it by this time. Or they tell you, okay, you need to fill this form, and then they forget to tell you that there's 2 parts to that form. Or yeah, it's just so frustrating. So like every person gives you a different freaking answer, you know. What am I doing? I'm all bent out of shape already. We are going to use a little flag. Oh, no, that's the pink one. Oops. You know what I forgot? I forgot to circle my calendar. 18. Okay, so now the gardeners are here and I have to finish, you guys, but let me show you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna label a couple more tabs. The flora, yeah, no, not the flora, the in bloom tabs. I'm gonna do monthly, weekly, and today, so I can section my planner better. And I use, let me show you what I did. This is from Tuesday morning. This big old sticker is from the Happy Planner, from the Bambi sticks that you can find at Joann. And so this is my cover for this week. I'm using this beautiful kit from Elisa Ravell. This is kit number 11. And I just took pieces from two different kits, from the weekly and from the compact vertical. Okay, just whatever I needed, I use that. I have a Pookie Bear Cuties, this work laptop sticker. And I just set up my week this way. I'm not gonna add too many things right now, just because I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. But so cute, love that. And I used the rest of the kit for the weekly. So here's what I'm gonna add, like the must-do things for the week. I think for this week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are gonna be pretty empty until I come back and then just add, you know, highlights for the day or whatnot. All right, friends, I have to go. I'm gonna get my P-Touch and label this tabs right here so I can add them to my planner. Put this back, clean my room. I have a lot of things to do. I do have a 15% off code for Elisa Ravell, 15 make up your plan PR, and you get a little freebie, which I saw already and it's super cute. And I am an affiliate for Erin Condren. If you like the A5, I mean, the quality of the Erin Condren planners, it's, I mean, you can't beat the quality. It's, oh, I forgot I put the ruler here too. They're beautiful. This A5 is working so nice for me. I love to do the cover for the week, my daily. I kind of set it up, and then my weekly. I haven't used this page, this back page, but it's fine. I mean, if I don't need it, I don't need it, you know. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to update my daily expenses. I wanted to do that with you, but I don't have time, and the gardeners are here, so I have to go because it's super loud. So yeah, I'm not using that, and it's fine because it looks nice. I like the way it looks starting the new week, you know, just like this. And it's clean here. I finished that week, and then we move on to the next one. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.